Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Grammarly. This is an essential security step, especially if you suspect your account might be compromised or if you simply want to update your credentials for better protection. Let's walk through this simple process together. Start by opening a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account using your current credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are displayed. This is your main workspace where you can access all of Grammarly's features and settings. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, changing your password in Grammarly is pretty straightforward. Look over to your left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your account. From this menu, click on Account. This section gives you access to all your account settings and preferences, including security options. From the account page, take a look at the left side menu again. Here you'll see various profile and account management options. Click on Profile to proceed. This is where you can manage your personal information and security settings. Under the Profile section, scroll down until you see the password field. You'll notice there's an option labeled Create next to it. Click on Create to initiate the password change process. Here's what happens next. Instead of changing your password directly on this page, Grammarly takes an extra security step. An email with instructions will be sent to your registered email address. This ensures that only you, the account owner, can make changes to your password. Check your inbox for this email from Grammarly, and make sure to also check your spam or junk folder just in case it ends up there. Once you receive the email, open it and you'll find a link included in the message. Click on this link to be redirected to a secure page where you can create your new password. Follow the instructions provided in the email carefully. You'll typically need to enter your new password twice to confirm it, ensuring there are no typos. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your password in Grammarly, adding an extra layer of security to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.